Hello, continuing the class series on Introduction to Cybersecurity, Srinivas University. Topic is how to apply mitigation strategies in situation database. If a cybersecurity attack happened, what are the steps to be done to overcome that, or to stop it continuing, or to mainly to overcome that and continue their business. Okay, so that is practicing how to handle a cyber attack or a simulated data breach. A simulated data breach is like a practice test for a cyber attack, which will help an organization to learn how to respond quickly and very safely if a hacker is trying to break in. So the goal is to reduce the harm and fix the problem. Means it's just a practice. Internal practice is done. That imagining that attack is happened and what immediately the people has to do if it is comes in a real way also. So this is a fake uh, attack. They are planning that to get a practice in a real life situation. What to be done for that? Now, first things that is stopping the attack. The first step is to contain the attack, stop the attack, to spreading, stop it from spreading to the other system. Means we need to find the computer or the servers which were attacked. We need to disconnect them completely from the network. We need to disable any user accounts which are hacked. That disabling can be done by the admin, the one who is controlling that system, that distribution system. And we need to block the IP address, the online locations from the attack game, which will help to protect the rest of the system and prevent more data from being stolen. So some of the system computers are got attacked, some of the things got attacked. Suddenly separate them from the main system. That is the first thing to be done. Then inform the right people. That is to communication. We have to inform that a cyber attack happened and what type of attack happened and what are the things done till now, that you have to be properly communicated to the officials, government officials. Okay, so during attack it is important to tell the right person as soon as possible. That is the IT team, the team which are good in the cyber security, the company managers, the main owners of the company, the legal or supporting staff, any lawyer or connected to that company, the company's lawyer, we need to immediately inform so that they have to make it ready, and they all work together. This is the team in a company, connected to a company related to cyber security protocols, and they have to work as a team as an incident response team. And if the attack is serious, the company may also need to inform the customers. A serious attack happened, how to inform the customers that something happened. We'll try to solve it as soon as possible. Customers has to be informed. They have to keep the trust value of the customers. They have to inform the business partners who are other companies who are doing business with a particular company. Those business partners also need to be informed at the earliest. Should not hide and say that they may lose the business. Inform the business partners at the earliest. They have to inform the government or the legal authorities. They have to inform police or any other cyber security officials regarding this. So being honest and very quick communication, immediately conveying what happened, it will not lose. They will not lose any damage. They will not lose any of their uh, value, but it is a protocol that need to be followed so that company's image and people trust value will remain. Fixing the problem and learning from it. After stopping the attack, if time is there, then they can it's time to fix the security issues. Update any outdated software. Any outdated software, if it is found, immediately they need to update it. They have to change all the passwords. They have to improve their firewall system and antivirus setting. They need to improve. They have to set up better monitoring tools to catch attacks earlier. Monitoring tools also need to be updated each and every time. Okay, then the company should review what went wrong so that it can be avoided. The same problem can be avoided in the very near future, because the same attacker will again try to get in if the same weakness is there. Okay, So why this practice is important? So this practice, this is a practice drill. It is important to learn how to react faster, to protect the important data from stealing, and be better prepared for a real cyber attacks. So just like the fire drills we know, if the fire immediately fire happens, the police people will come and train the people in the area what need to be done immediately. Same way, the cyber drill is also for emergencies. Cyber drills, they prepare the companies to define themselves from on the online system. Now, what are the real world uses of the firewalls and intrusion detection system, IDS? Where firewalls and IDS are placed in intrusion? Firewall is like a security gate. It is placed in between the company's computers and the internet, or the internal network and the external world, which means all incoming and outgoing traffic, the traffic goes through the firewall, which will check if it is safe or not. The vehicles which are coming are safe or not. Vehicle means the data, the packets coming are safe or not, that the firewall will check. And an IDS, it will work like a security camera. It will catch. It is not a passage through. It's just a camera. It will watches the traffic and it is already inside the network to spot anything suspicious like unusual patterns, comparing to the already known attacks or the non patterns of the attack. How firewalls they use the rules to allow or block traffic. Firewalls, it will work by some of the instructions, that is these some of the rules which decide what kind of data is allowed or blocked. It rules can be based on the source of the data, that is IP address, the port number, the type of service, like the website use port 80 or 443, or how data is being sent, the protocol used. For example, a company may allow access to websites but block games or files sharing apps. The same thing in institutions, it is done now. People, many websites will be blocked by using the firewall, so that the students should not download the games, or even some of the videos, movies, downloading all those things. People are capable of blocking it, blocking access to that by using the firewall. So more advanced firewalls, like the next generation firewalls, it can even look deeper into the traffic. It can recognize specific apps like even WhatsApp or the YouTube. I don't know exactly what is YouTube. I know only YouTube. Okay, this I got from. Okay, block. It will block certain actions more accurately. That is the next generation firewalls. How IDS works and why logs are important. IDS, it will check the data traffic for a signatures, which is non signs of attacks. Already an attack is happened. The style of attack, what type of, how the attack comes, that people know, that is called as the signatures, non signs of attacks. Or any strange behavior, like someone is trying to log in too many times. Okay, people will log into somebody, they are trying, keep on trying, that means it's a strange behavior. For some people are trying in a wrong time, usually the network, the login is not happening in the midnight time, but the particular day login is trying in the midnight, that means a strange behavior, it will be identified. And when it finds something odd, something, if it is different than normal, it will send an alert to the security team. The IDS will inform the security team. The security team will get a message that something is happening. They'll get a beeper sound or a similar information. The security person, the human being who is controlling that, not the system as such, they will get, and they will command personally, they will check whether it's okay or not, whether the things are okay or not. Now both firewalls and IDS, it creates logs, it records all the activities, and these records or the logs will help experts to analyze what happened during a suspicious event. It also help in improving the security by updating rules as well as the settings which they have applied. They will get a chance to update and safeguard further. Thank you.